I have an automation in front of me which is completed and ready to get deployed to the orchestrator. If I simply click on the publish button and click on this guy which says publish, by default all the folders and the files available in the project are published to the Nudget package. Now if I open the project, you would notice that during the development I have created some extra XAML for the testing such as test2 and the temp, and I do not want this XAML to get published to the orchestrator. Now the requirement is I simply want to ignore them from being published. How I can do that? That's absolutely simple. Just click on the XAML, right click on it and simply select an option which says ignore from publish. Right, as soon as you do that, you would notice the color is now changed to somewhat gray. This is getting published, this is not getting published. I do not want to publish this as well. Right click on it and simply say ignore from publish. That will ignore it from being published along with the Nudget. In case after some time we decide to make it as publishable, we can always go to the same XAML which is disabled and right click on it, and you have an option which says set as publishable, and that will mark this XAML as publishable. More tips and tricks are available on the channel. Thank you for watching and happy automation.